Hello, this is Mark Braun, and I'm here to discuss a little bit about Herbert Hoover High School. When going to the web page sandy.net/Hoover, you'll get to this homepage, the homepage of Herbert Hoover High School. Once you get here, as a parent of a student, you'd want to come and check out the parent selection from the menu. When you click on the parents, you'll find out things that are important for you to know. For example, that they have a parent center at Hoover High School, specifically for supporting parents and keeping connection with them. In the parents drop-down menu, there's the attendance schedule, which is important. If your children are absent, the things you need to do to clear the absences and so forth. It is listed specifically. In addition, there's the bell schedule, so you can know when to expect your children home from school, what time they need to be there, on modified days, minimum days, and so forth. In addition, the Facts for Parents is a publication that comes out from San Diego Unified, letting them know policy changes and current behavior expectations and so forth. The catalogs for the 2013 and 14 year are available in both English and Spanish. Then when we get to the Parent Center's goals, the Parent Center's purpose for being here, what do they want? They want to assist freshman parents or the ninth grade parents in accessing and knowing school services, such as the counselors, the Parent Center, attendance policy, the teachers, and the student records through Parent Connect, psychosocial, or mental support services. In addition, they want to assist 9th through 11th graders to increase their knowledge of the high school and college requirements, helping their children to get ready to go on beyond after graduation. And third is to enhance parent leadership and development through school committees, workshops, special events, and volunteerism. A great way to be involved in your child's education is through participating in school events. The Parent Connect information is a way that you can monitor your child's success and progress in school. The information available through the internet access is for the demographics, context of your child's schedule, how they're doing on attendance, any homework assignments they're having problems with, linked through the teacher's email addresses, their marks, their testing scores, and their health information. You can sign up by going to this website here or calling the phone number listed to receive a PIN and a password and get started. If you are new to the district, there's information on one specific menu with information from our superintendent. In addition, there's photos if you want to check out the school, and then a list of the school committees that you could be on. Once you've perused these and become familiar with the areas in the Parents drop-down menu, you'd want to come back here to the Home menu. When you click on the Home menu, you're going to find the drop-down menu again here, the shortcuts. If you go to the Counseling section and select it, the Counseling Department's page comes up. Here you will find a lot of information in their drop-down menu, from counseling forms, Naviance, which is a college application system and personal skills assessment tool, graduation requirements, your college admission tests, preparation, scholarship information, and so forth. In addition, freshman, sophomore, junior, and senior timelines and checklists, things that your students need to be doing during that year. Finally, if you come back to the Home menu, you'll see again we have the page in Spanish, and that is available for any bilingual folks that need clarification. Thank you for your time.